My name is Marn, and from here on out, I am your very own personal wing girl. I am going to tell you everything that you need to know to get her, keep her, and leave her wanting more. So let's talk about anal sex and how to make it more pleasurable for a woman. The number one rule when you're trying to get women to do anything sexual or not sexual is to have a conversation with her before, because you want to be able to ease her mind before you can ease her body. And you don't want to do this when you're lying in bed naked or when she's vulnerable in any way possible. Definitely not during a time where you're in an argument where you're fighting about cleaning up stuff and then you whip out and you never want to have anal sex with me. Not a good time to bring up anal sex. So what you want to do is when you're sharing some popcorn or having dinner one night or literally just sitting on the couch watching TV, you want to turn to her and say, I want to talk to you about something. I think that we are having a great relationship or having a really good time with you. I think you're great. I think you're awesome. I think you're super sexy, all of that stuff to make her feel really appreciated in the bedroom and not feel self-conscious or insecure, and then go into there's something that I want to try, but I obviously want you to be comfortable with it. And of course she'll say, what is it that you want to try? And you'll say, what do you think about having anal sex? And of course at first, typically she is going to throw some fears and insecurities at you and say, you know what, are you not happy with our sex life? Why are you asking this? Are you gay? There's a whole bunch of things that might be racing through her mind. What I want you to do is help calm her nerves and listen to everything that she's saying without getting defensive and attacking, and really hear what she's saying to you. And so what you want to do again is do your research before go on askman.com. There's a great article about anal sex on there that tells you exactly how to help your woman feel very comfortable with anal sex so that she enjoys it. There is a common misconception that anal sex is only pleasurable for men, when in fact it is pleasurable for both men and women. You don't have to have a prostate to actually enjoy anal sex. Now, I know some girls who don't like anal sex. They're totally against it. They're not into it. They've tried it a million times and they don't like it on the flip side. I know many women who really enjoy anal sex and think it's great. Typically, it's the girlfriends that have had conversations like the one we're talking about right now that usually do enjoy anal sex. Again, if you can, EAS her mind. You can ease her body. For more tips on how to pleasure a woman, how to have sex with a woman, dating, attracting, everything about women, check out my website, winggirldatingtips.com.